Hi there, just doing a follow-up review on the drill brush attachment. I generally deal with quite dirty vehicles where you've got lots of bits stuck in carpets and floor mats, and they can be a bit of a faff time consuming trying to get them out. So I bought this drill brush attachment, and as of a couple of days ago, I was only really getting cars that were, oddly enough, that weren't too bad, so I didn't have to use it. But yesterday, I had a car that was really bad. If you look at the previous video, the Ford Mondeo, it was really bad. And I used this, used it in the boot. Well, actually, I'd say I used it in the boot. I took the boot mat carpet area out, laid that on its side, and this probably got about 80% of the stuff out. The only thing I would suggest though is to wear some safety goggles, because the bits fly about everywhere. That's one thing you need to be very aware of. Yeah, it really did pull it out. It's very grippy, these are, although I was a bit concerned about the bristles a little bit. I thought maybe that they're a little bit soft and it might wear fairly quickly. It's very grippy, and it grips when you're holding the drill, even one-handed, and you're putting a tiny bit of pressure down. You really have to hold the drill, because if you don't, it'll go away. It'll run away, as they say. So yeah, so it's a pretty good tool for the sake of I think it was £9, and there was two other brushes. There was a circular sort of flat one, round one, and one on a long extension, which is quite small, which would probably be good for cup holders in centre console, stuff like that. But it works really well. It's definitely worth getting if you're a valeter and you haven't got one. It's well worth getting. Definitely make your job a lot easier if you go into cars that are quite bad, where it's taken a lot of time to hoover and scrub and pick bits out of carpets or floor mats. It definitely will aid and speed up the process of vehicle cleaning. I say get some safety goggles though, because you don't want to get, there's nothing worse than getting bits in your eyes and you can't get them out. It's very annoying if that's ever happened to you. But yeah, so it's really good. I'm really chuffed with it, actually, really pleased. And this was although I bought this off Amazon, and it didn't say the make. Well, I thought it did, but when I got it, it was a different brand. So it's actually Dr. Brush, and that's the make of it, of the drill attachment brush. So definitely worth getting. Works really well. Yeah, into car cleaning, valeting, detailing, whatever it may be. It will definitely, it's another piece of equipment to hopefully help you, to make your job a little bit easier, and to speed up the process, especially if you're dealing with cars that are quite bad consistently, because sometimes I can spend sort of 5-6 hours on one vehicle, and sometimes, although I'm quite cheap with my prices, some customers, if you end up waiting on the car for a couple of hours longer, you have to bill them, and sometimes you can't always be, just do it a little bit more when you worked a couple of hours longer. You have to be sort of sensible when you're running a business. You're there to, although I sort of do enjoy it to a point, I'm mainly there to get paid. So anyway, a bit sidetracked. There you go. So it's been used on a really bad car. If you haven't seen the video, go and watch it. Although I haven't done a video using it, because I just had to get on, because I knew it was going to take a while to do. But it's mainly in the boot area of the previous video. You'll see the before and after, so you'll see how bad it was. The vehicle was quite bad, and it helped really well to get the bits out. And then it was just a matter of hoovering, a little bit of scrubbing with my slightly harder brush, and then shampooing. It came out quite well. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do leave a comment. Consider subscribing to the channel. Check out the other video, the Mondeo is quite bad. And maybe I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.